How to earn 1K to 5K with a simple intraday trading using open high, open low strategy. This is something that we are going to see today in the Market Secrets trading series. So let's start today's session with a disclaimer. The views expressed in the video are for informational purposes only and do not constitute to be of any investment, legal or taxation advice. They are not indicative of the future market trends nor is to predict the same. Republishing any part of this video will be at your own risk, and we at Market Secrets will not be liable for the consequence of any such action. So before we begin, I would like to mention that there are a lot of videos about open high, open low strategy in the YouTube already. The reason for this specific video is that we are going to talk about something very unique. So our strategy is going to be completely different from what has already been there, and it is going to be very effective as the accuracy here is extremely high. So we are going to explain this strategy in few simple steps. So step number 1 is to find the stocks which is having open price equal to high, or the stocks which is having open price is same as low. So you can do this around 9:30 AM. That should be completely fine. So find the stocks which has open price equal to high price and open price equal to low price. Now the stocks which has open equal to high price can be shorted, and likewise the stocks which has open price equal to low can go long. So this is the step number 1. Identify the stocks which has open price equal to high or open price equal to low. Let's say you have identified a stock which has open price equal to high price. So I have a chart example here. So this is a 5-minute candlestick chart. So I have identified a stock which has open price equal to high for the day. So if you see here, the price opened here on March 15th and price started dropping and it went down all throughout the day. So now in the step 2, I have opened the 5-minute candlestick chart, and now I have to check whether the first 2 candles are red candles. This is extremely important. If the first 2 candles are not red candles, you can skip that stock and move on to the next stock. So that is how you need to trade. So the step 2 is to open 5-minute candlestick chart and see whether the first 2 candles are red candles. That's all. Now the step 3 is to wait for a doji to be formed which is touching any part of the first candle. So this is the first candle. So if you look at here, this is the opening price and this is the low. So if any doji is formed touching any part of this candle throughout the day, then you can short that particular stock. So if you look at here, the price for the first 2 candles, it dropped and it shot up, and next it formed a doji which is touching the first candle length. So in this case, once the doji is formed, you can immediately short the stock. So you can directly short the stock here at this price. After that, it could have went up and then it started dropping heavily. So now coming to the stop loss part, your stop loss should always be greater than, or it should be higher than, this open price. This is very important. And if you're having any candles here, for example here it is blank, but consider if you have few candles here, then you can keep the stop loss at the high of last 5 candles. So maybe you can keep 2 or 3 ticks higher than the high of the last few candles. So this is how you need to set the stop loss. So in this case, I can generally set the stop loss here. So if you see here, there is a line. So I can set the stop loss just above this particular line. Some 2 ticks in the sense 10 paise above this particular price. So this is how you need to set the stop loss, and your target should always be 1%. So you should book 75% of your quantity at 1% gain, and you can trial the stop loss for remaining 25% to reap the maximum gains. So this is how you need to trade open high, open low strategy. So in addition to that, you need to follow the positional sizing properly so that you won't end up in any big losses. So this is a very simple strategy, but very effective strategy. You can try it in the live market, and if you have any queries, you can directly reach out to us. And moving on to the next slide. So if you want to find out the open equal to high or open equal to low stocks, then we have a live scanner in our website. So you can just open that URL and you can just keep on refreshing. So that way you can automatically find the open equal to high and open equal to low stocks for the day. And if you're working somewhere and if you can't afford to check things manually, this site will come in handy, because it not only lists the open equal to high and open equal to low stocks, it will also list down whether the stock is nearing entry. So if this particular stock has open equal to high and the price is moving towards the open price, then you'll have an entry here. You'll have an indication like near entry. So this will help you to reduce a lot of manual work when you are analyzing the stocks. So the link to this live scanner is available in the description section of this video. But if you are in a full-time job and if you can't spend any effort manually, and if you are an expert in automation, then we would suggest you to automate this through AmiBroker ALF. We have a sample script in our website, and I'll give the description to that ALF script in the description section of the video as well. If you are an expert, you can very well enhance it, and then you can use it to completely automate this trading. And if you want, you can share it with us and also with the rest of the community so that everyone can reap the benefits. So please do check out the description section of this video to find the link to the live scanner and also to the AmiBroker ALF. If you have liked the video, hit the like button. If you find it useful, please do share it with your friends. Also, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any of the future videos. Also, if you want to know more about us, you can visit our website, which is marketsecrets.in. And if you want to receive daily market updates from us, you can join our Telegram channel. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.